Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z9554XX. Only 6,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, cloth interior, not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. The body is free of dents or dings. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. To put you in that perfect driving position, push button start. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway. They get only 6,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.